I can't be bothered. I need a break. It's not worth it. I'm done for today. Don't give up. You never know. I get your point. I'm losing patience. Keep it up. Don't worry. It's difficult to do. It's easy. Stay positive. Nothing is impossible. Dreams doesn't work unless you do. I'm not sure about that. I will get you back to you. You are stronger than you think. I am running late. I am full. He is going home. Speak slowly. Get ready. Let's have breakfast. Come on time. I need a break. I barely arrived on time. That's not true. Don't waste food. Let's go out. Go there. Take a bath. Don't be angry. I'm not in the mood. That's the plan. Time will tell everything. Let's call it a day. Hope everything will be fine. I can't wait. You made my day. That's unbelievable. I didn't see that coming. It's up to you. You nailed it. Not bad at all. I'm not in a good place right now. That's a good one. Are you kidding me? That's impressive. Way to go. You have got this. Let's be honest. I miss those days. As far as I know, I am working on it. It's not a big deal. I couldn't agree anymore. That's out of the question. You nailed it. Not bad at all. Better late than never. Things will get better. Life goes on. Everything takes time. I am trying my best. I am still learning. Let it be. It happens. You have come a long way. I will take care of it. Let's not make a sense. I will keep that in mind. Keep moving forward. Make yourself a priority. Stay hungry, stay foolish. I am leaving. I was about to call you. I had a long day. I can't make it today. That's not what I mean. Let us get going. I just get home. Let's finish it or wrap it. That was unexpected. Don't take it the wrong way. I didn't mean to hurt you. How is that my fault? I made it clear it to you from day one. What are you talking about? That's enough for me. I have to spend whole life with him. That is all I wanted to hear. I have nothing my own. I will let you know. Let us not rush things. That's not like you. I am stuck in traffic. It's totally worth it. That is not the issue. Let us call it even. That is not my thing. I will take care of that. Let's not make an excuses.